What if I told you that one simple question could make you feel nervous? In just a few seconds, that question is, can you introduce yourself? Many English learners know grammar and vocabulary, but when someone asks them to introduce themselves, they suddenly forget everything. Have you ever experienced that? If your answer is yes, don't worry, you are not alone. Before we begin, answer this simple question in the comments. Can you introduce yourself in English without stopping for 1 minute? If not, write "I'm ready" in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel because today, I'm going to help you introduce yourself confidently in English. So, let's get started. Step 1. Greeting. Start with a friendly greeting. Hello, or hi everyone. Step 2. Tell your name. Say, my name is Sarah, or I'm Sarah. Step 3. Say where you're from. I am from Pakistan, or I come from Pakistan. Step 4. Tell where you live. I live in Islamabad. You can replace the city with your own. Step 5. Talk about your education. I am a student. I study at ABC University, or I am in my second year of college. Step 6. Talk about your hobbies. I enjoy reading books. I love learning English. I also like listening to music and watching educational videos. Step 7. Talk about your goal. My dream is to become a successful lawyer, or my goal is to speak English fluently and build a successful career. Complete self-introduction. Now let's put everything together. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am from Pakistan, and I live in Islamabad. I am a student at ABC University. I enjoy reading books, learning English, and spending time with my family. My goal is to become a successful lawyer and improve my English communication skills every day. Thank you for listening. It was nice meeting you. Congratulations. You have just learned a simple and confident self-introduction in English. Now it's your turn. Practice this introduction every day in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English with confidence. Goodbye.